Here we are at MarineMax in Hingham, Massachusetts, and today we're going to take a look at the new Sailfish 241 center console. This is a wonderful fishing machine, and let's take a little bit of a walk through here. Starting aft, we are powered by a 250 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke power plant, and boy, is this a giddy-up motor that will get you to the fishing grounds in great stead. Again, moving forward, tool holders, rod holders. We've got a shower hookup, both for fresh water, and we've got a 21-gallon live well aft as well. For your fishing partners on your way to the fishing grounds or cruising areas, you've got an aft bench seat that is a fold-up bolster, rod storage, port and starboard. We also, at the helm seat, we've got 4 rod holders aft, drink holders, knife sharpeners, and a place for small items. Very comfortable seat at the helm. This is 2-person seating. It's got fold-out steps as well. As we look forward, we've got a Fusion radio system, your standard VHF. Of course, the Lenco trim tabs for your down and bow up. A great Garmin GPS system to get you to those fishing grounds, and a number of rocker switches for your other components, and of course your compass. Moving forward, we've got padding at the gunnels, we've got pop-up cleats forward, more seating forward, T-top, removable table forward, and seating as well. Anchor locker, and again, fold down cleats and port starboard lighting in the bow. Integrated grab rails, speakers forward for your Fusion radio system. You've got fold out backrests that can be deployed or put away. Again, this is the 2019 Sailfish 241 center console. Come down to MarineMax in Hingham, Massachusetts, and take a look at some of the great products that we have and the awesome boats that we're looking at today. Thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you. Thank you.